Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Malia and today I'm going to be showing you how to get your curls to look like this. Poppin' juicy curls. I'm going to be showing you guys my updated curly hair routine, and I'm going to be showing you all the products that I use and how I do my hair and all of that jazz. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to follow your girl on the gram. Let's just get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm out of the shower and I just did my makeup, and I'm going to show you what I use in the shower because this is very important. Using the shower is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner. And also when I shampoo my hair, I like to use this little scalp massager thing. It circulates blood flow up there and it's actually really good for hair growth as well. So I like to use that, and it really gets rid of the dead skin cells up there and all that kind of stuff. So in the shower, I like to use a deep conditioner, usually maybe once or twice a week, sometimes more, depending on how dry my hair is. But it's the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine hair mask, and I use this in the shower as well. And then when I'm washing my body and shaving and all that kind of stuff, I put my hair up in a bun like this and I let the conditioner sit for about 10 minutes. Oh, and I also forgot the most important thing in my shower routine is what I detangle with, which is the Denman brush. I actually don't like using brushes, but this one's really gentle and it doesn't rip out your hair. Either this or a wide tooth comb works perfectly, and I make sure to detangle in the shower. Now I'm just gonna take out my hair. I love using these for when I go to bed, because it doesn't leave a dent in my hair and it makes it look good. And then I also like using a silk pillowcase so my hair doesn't get frizzy. My hair is a little bit dry, so I'm just gonna spray it, make sure it's, pretty wet. Just brush through it to make sure it's nice and detangled. After I have detangled my hair, I go in with the curl enhancing smoothie. This is what I go by. I absolutely love this. Makes my curls pop. So I get a good amount like this. Evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Make sure I get my bangs as well. And I'm gonna do the other side. When I'm done raking the product through my hair, I just like to part it, and I get all of my bangs that I'm gonna be putting forward in my hair, and I comb it all the way to the front of my head. I make sure to get a good amount from the back. It gets really flat back there, so if you have bangs or anything like that, I would recommend brushing most of your hair forward. So then I bunch it all up, and then I just twist it and then put it up and use this clip. Now I'm gonna be using the Denman brush. Love her. Here we go. So I'm just gonna make sure my hair is also detangled. Usually what I do is I take a section, I put it underneath, and then I curl it down. And then while I'm curling it down, I like to put my finger there so it clumps the curls a lot better. And then I grab them again, and see how they're really clumped together? What I do is I shake it. Oh, there's a lot of product on there. But anyways, I just like to shake them out. And once I shake them, I'm gonna wanna scrunch. And that locks all the curls in place. So I'm gonna do that throughout my entire head of hair. Since I have layers in my hair, this is why I like to section it off. That's the one thing. You don't wanna make sure it's too thin or too thick, because then it's gonna be hard for the curls to clump together. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this, these pieces can go down. I just put this over my head. And then I take these pieces and I do the same thing, and I curl it down, all the way down, and then shake, and then scrunch. That's it. And I do the same thing here. Okay, so now that I've done the bottom half of my hair, I'm gonna start doing my bangs. But before I do so, I like to go in with this gel. It's the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Styling Gel. Put a big glob like that, and just like this. I just like to lock the curls in place and scrunch it up. It's just enough to make them hold and last throughout the day. Now I'm gonna move on with my bangs. So I just take my clip out, push these forward. What I like to do is section it off and then put the rest back up in a clip. I just do the same thing, but I really make sure to get underneath my hair right at the root and then start curling down. See how I do this? So I go like that, and then I grab the curls, I shake them out, and then I also like to scrunch these. This very back piece is gonna actually be going down, but since I told you guys that my hair is really flat right there, I have to brush it forward for it not to be flat there. Last piece. Put a little bit more styling gel on my bangs to make them hold as well. I typically like to use a diffuser because it gives me more volume. This is the diffuser that I use. It's the Diva Curl diffuser, and this is the little hand it comes with. I actually like this hand for my bangs because it really scoops it, gives it the volume that it needs, and it dries it a lot faster. So if you guys want to shop any of these products, all of them I put down in the description box, so you can go shop all of the products that I use on Amazon. You're welcome. Alright guys, so my hair is pretty much dry and my curls are still clumped together, so I'm going to be using my pick and picking out my hair so it's a little bit more voluminous. When picking your hair, you want to start from the root and then pull it out like this. And sometimes you can even just get your hands in there, and then I just like to go in and pick out all the pieces that are clumped together. Even a little bit of frizz is nice just because the Denman brush makes the curls super perfect. You kind of want to make it a little bit more messy. At least that's how I like it a little bit. Then once my hair is like pretty much dry, I use this argan oil, and it's like a spray, and they also have one that you can just squirt in your hand. But what I do is spray a little bit around my head, and it gets a little bit so it's not too heavy to weigh your hair down, but then I spray a little bit so my hand's like this, and then I rub it together, and then I just pull out my hair a little bit more. So it really gets on my ends. See how cute this is? This part is very time consuming because I like my hair to be picked out. But the Denman brush really gets your curls nice and spirally. Like, look at those. Oh my gosh. Some of the pieces are annoying, especially when you have bangs, you know what I'm talking about. Some of the longer pieces get like stuck in the front, and then you kind of have to like place them. I want to make a video of like my curly hair journey. Let me know if you guys would want to see that because my hair used to not be this healthy and curly. All right guys, this is the final result for my curly hair routine. I think it turned out great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below any more video ideas that you guys want me to do, or any questions that you guys have. Hopefully I can answer them, or DM me on Instagram, and make sure to follow your girl on the gram. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video.